Welcome to my channel, Josie here. I'm glad to have you back again. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for whoever takes off the time to watch my videos, leave a comment and likes. I'm forever grateful. And on this channel I post sewing related content, and if that's something you would be interested in, please don't leave without subscribing. In this video I thought I'll take you to Fabrics for All, a fabric shop in Leeds. It also has an online presence, so on their website they have a list of wonderful fabrics they stock, and I'm a member of their blogger team, so I'm gifted fabric in exchange for a blog post. But I thought I'll take you along, show you the various fabrics they stock, and probably an exciting thing about Fabrics for All right now, they're trying to clear their stock of all the Lady McElroy fabrics. So all their Lady McElroy fabrics are on sale for £10 per meter. So if that's something you would be interested in, you could check their website. And I've tried to record a few videos, clips of both, at least a number of fabrics they stock. And if that's something you're interested in, please continue watching. I'll take you inside with me. Hi, Sarah. Hi, I've come into the shop. Don't be bothered by how I'm dressed. It's quite cold here today. There's no single sign of it shining today, so it's pretty cold. And I've come to pick up fabric for my monthly make. I'm a part of the bloggers team of Fabrics for All, and I'm planning to sew up the Megan Nilsson's flint pants. They are cropped pants that are wide legged, and they're recommended for medium weight to lightweight to medium weight fabrics. So I've come to look at a variety. Probably if it was a live video you would be able to give me an opinion of the choice of fabric, but I'll show you various fabrics that are recommended for the fabric that would be suitable for the pattern. And I think at the end I'll make my pick. Probably it might not be everyone's pick, but and before I go on, I thought I'd give you a tour of the shop and see the wonderful fabrics they stock. It's a store located in Leeds, but they've got an online presence where they stock up fabrics. And should you want something that doesn't appear online, you can always call Sarah, the lovely lady. If you can say in the background it's not clear, the lovely lady here, she'll be able to help you and advise you on which fabrics they have. Okay, let me take you around. These are all heavyweight fabrics. This is good. I think they're cut and furnishing fabrics. And over here you've got the fleeces. Kind of fleece, polar fleece, or the fleece. This is an interesting fabric. It's a combination of polyester. This is cotton satin. It's cotton with some satin in it. I mean with some lycra. 95% cotton. So I think it's cotton satin. These are quite heavyweight fabrics. This feels like canvas. And we've got the jerseys over here. I thought I'll take you around. Unfortunately, my project is a woven fabric. It requires a woven fabric. I won't be picking any jerseys, but I thought just in case you'd be interested, this is a good one. It's sparkly. And the color, this is a similar in a grey colorway, but it doesn't have the sparklies. It's for £12. Cotton elastin. These are all cotton jerseys. It's like a wide range of cotton jerseys, and they're brilliant. These are all cotton jerseys. And over here we've got the sweatshirting. These are the price ranges for the cotton jerseys. Then over here we've got the sweatshirting. These are mostly prints for kids. And of course the famous star embossed sweatshirting. I think here is this cotton shirting. Let me check. Sweatshirting, yeah. This is looped back fabric, cotton jersey steel. Nice. So this is sweatshirting. It's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Probably I'll come back for it next time. These are jerseys, plain jerseys, stripy, and these are all jerseys still. Plain and striped jerseys. And down here we still have more cotton jerseys, and I think these have been, no, they're not reduced. And this is a polyester lycra fabric. It's actually quite stretchy. Quite stretchy. If you remember from my I made the Sironko jumpsuit out of this, and this is a viscose lycra fabric. It's quite a drapey fabric and it feels really nice. It's a good quality fabric. This is also viscose jersey. These are their viscose jerseys. This is, let me see, is this viscose? This is cotton elastin. This is a viscose jersey. They're quite drapey and they have a good recovery too. It's a viscose jersey too, and so is this. Yep, this is also a viscose jersey. Of course, these and that. Yep, I think this is a cotton jersey. It could be a viscose jersey. Yeah, and we've got ribbing over here. You saw the ribbing. It's quite wider. So ribbing. This is it's a stretch fabric. It's, I think, a jersey. Yeah. And I thought today I would take you through their jersey fabrics and their price ranges. For the cotton jerseys range from, this is £9, £14, £9, £14. Actually, the kids' fabrics, most of them are £9 per meter. This is £11. And the adults, I know we've all admired this. Many have sold up with it, and it's £11.15. So I thought today I would take you through their cotton jerseys and their sweatshirting. Probably next time I'll take you around the shop to look at other fabrics, but still I can sweep through the shop so you see the various fabrics they stock here. All the sun is out now. These are wovens, Lady McElroy fabrics. I've got a range of them. They're gorgeous. These are cotton lawns. And of course, the Lady McElroy crepe fabrics. And these are cotton poplins, Lady McElroy. And they are on sale actually. So if you fancy bargain, yeah, you could pop by the shop or call or check their online store. But yeah, these are Lady McElroy cotton poplins and they are on sale. This doesn't feel like cotton. I think this is let me see the composition. Doesn't feel like a poplin. It's a polyester. It feels nice, really. It's good. So these fabrics are on sale to £10. Yeah. These are pizza Hunton style fabrics. I'm not familiar with them, but they are good fabrics. I think I'll stop here with the shop I think I'll stop here with showing you a few fabrics. Let me go ahead and choose the fabrics I need. I think that's it with touring the shop and the video fabrics. Probably the next time I come back, I'll be able to show you a different section of the fabric store. At least I've shown you a lot of their jerseys. Let me go ahead and select the fabric I need today. I don't want to be distracted by looking at more fabrics and end up picking much more than I've come for. Okay, see you later. The pattern is recommended for lightweight medium weight fabric, and I've selected 4 fabrics to choose from. I think I'm already biased. I might have made up my mind on what to use. However, I picked satin. This is a Lady McElroy satin, cotton satin fabric, and it's on sale from £14.95, £15 to £10. It's a brilliant fabric. If I could show you it, as it's not a drapey fabric, but I could say it's medium weight. It's not as light as a cotton fabric, cotton poplin, and it's stretchy. However, I can't show you how stretchy it is with the camera, me holding the camera, but let me see what I can do. Cotton satin by Lady McElroy. It's quite stretchy. It's 5% satin. This is clear. It's a medium weight fabric, and it's one of the fabrics I would probably use for the flint pants. And I think I've chosen 3 cotton satins to show you. I should have chosen a variety. Probably I'll show you one with another kind of fabric. And as I said, this is a Lady McElroy, which is on sale at Fabrics for All from £15 to £10. So you could go ahead and order this. They're on sale so until they all go, so you could get your hands on a few Lady McElroys in the store. Then we have this another cotton satin. I don't know who the designer is. But I know this is a fabric. It has a fabric that was used in the Butter Style magazines. And it's also a cotton satin, similar to the one I've just shown in the Lady McElroy one. It has red and oranges, and it also comes in this colorway, in a black and gray colorway. So if you fancy one of these, this would be a good idea. They are both cotton satins, and you'd love one of these. Next one is this snake skin fabric. It's also a cotton satin. I think I'm being biased here because they're quite, you don't want to sew trousers or pants in a thin fabric, in a cotton poplin. I don't think I would feel comfortable in one. I would want a fabric that's a bit medium weight, like this. Is also stretchy, and this also appeared in the Butter Style magazines. So it's a beautiful fabric too. I've also picked up a cotton poplin for someone who would rather use a lightweight fabric. It's quite lightweight. I might choose it for the pants, but I don't think I would go for this. And if you watched that video, I ended up settling for this fabric. If you've watched the video, I ended up settling for this fabric. And this is by Henna Fabrics. It's a German fabric company. And this is a cotton satin. It's a cotton satin. And I picked up 2 meters of it to make the Megan Nilsson's flint pants. That's the plan, but if that doesn't work out, I might still make trousers with it. Since this month, this year, I'm focusing on making more separates, venturing 2 parts making. So I picked up this gorgeous fabric, and this particular fabric, I understand, appeared in the Butter Style magazine patterns. It's a medium weight fabric, and it stretches across. It stretches up against the grain, so it has some elastine. I think 5% of elastine, so it should be a good a good fabric for trousers, and I'll let you know how I get along with this. Probably I'll post a video of my finished make, and I'm hoping to make it up in February. Hope I'm that productive like I'm anticipating to be. Yep, that's what I picked up. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed it, let me know what you think. I thought for a change I'll take you to a fabric shop before I pick a fabric, show you a number of fabrics of recommendations for the pattern, and later I get along to sew it up, and probably it will appear in my February makes. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.